AM business models and reshaping production. By understanding the evolving business models and potential for production reshaping enabled by AM, stakeholders can explore and implement innovative solutions to leverage the unique benefits of this technology, ultimately contributing to a more agile, responsive, and sustainable future of manufacturing. Traditional manufacturing versus AM business models. Traditional manufacturing often relies on high-volume production, economies of scale, and extensive supply chains with centralized manufacturing facilities. AM business models explore various options beyond mass production, enabling mass customization, personalized products tailored to individual needs, on-demand manufacturing, localized production closer to end users, distributed manufacturing, production across geographically dispersed locations. Key business models in AM. Product as a service, PaaS, offering access to the functionality of a product instead of ownership, potentially including AM production and maintenance services. Direct-to-consumer, D2C, selling customized products directly to consumers through online platforms, leveraging AM for on-demand production. Subscription models, providing access to a library of 3D models or AM production services for a periodic fee. Open-source hardware and collaborative design, sharing designs and encouraging user modifications, enabling distributed manufacturing and community-driven innovation. Example, a company offers custom-made prosthetics through a PaaS model, using AM to create personalized designs based on individual patient measurements and providing ongoing maintenance and support services. Reshaping production with AM. Decentralized manufacturing. AM enables the production of complex parts closer to end users, reducing reliance on long-distance supply chains and potentially minimizing transportation costs and environmental impact. Agile and responsive production. AM allows for faster customization and production adjustments compared to traditional methods, enabling quicker response to changing market demands and shorter lead times. Inventory reduction. On-demand AM production can help reduce the need for large inventories of finished products or spare parts, potentially improving cash flow and reducing storage costs. Example, an aerospace company uses AM to print spare parts at their maintenance facilities around the world, reducing reliance on centralized warehouses and improving response times for repairs. Challenges and opportunities. Cost considerations. While AM offers long-term cost benefits for certain applications, the initial investment in technology and materials can be significant for some businesses. Standardization and regulations. Evolving AM technology necessitates ongoing development and adaptation of standards and regulations to ensure consistent quality, safety, and intellectual property protection. Skill development. Upskilling and reskilling the workforce is crucial to equip individuals with the necessary skills for design, operation, and maintenance of AM technologies. The future of AM business models and production. Continued innovation. New business models and innovative applications of AM will emerge, driven by advancements in technology, materials, and software. Collaboration and partnerships. Collaboration between various stakeholders, including manufacturers, designers, and service providers, will be essential for fostering innovation and developing successful business models in the AM landscape. Sustainability. Integrating sustainable practices into AM processes and materials will be crucial for responsible and environmentally conscious production in the future. Cloud manufacturing. Cloud manufacturing. CMFG, a service-oriented approach to manufacturing that utilizes cloud computing technologies to manage and operate manufacturing resources and capabilities remotely. Cloud manufacturing presents an exciting opportunity for the future of AM, offering increased access, flexibility, and efficiency in manufacturing processes. Core concept: cloud platforms act as a central hub, allowing access to shared resources like 3D printers and other AM machines, design software and data storage, production planning and management tools, expertise and services from remote providers. Benefits of cloud manufacturing: increased access and flexibility. Companies can access a wider range of manufacturing capabilities and resources, regardless of their physical location or initial investment. Reduce costs and resource utilization. Pay-per-use models and shared resources can lead to lower operating costs and improved resource utilization compared to traditional in-house manufacturing setups. Scalability and agility. Cloud-based systems enable easier scaling of production capacity up or down based on demand, offering increased agility and adaptability to market fluctuations. Collaborative design and production. CMFG facilitates collaboration between geographically dispersed designers, manufacturers, and service providers, fostering innovation and efficient production processes. Example: a small design firm collaborates with a remote AM service provider through a cloud platform to print their custom-designed products on demand, leveraging the provider's expertise and resources without needing their own AM equipment. Key considerations for implementing CMFG. Security and data privacy. Ensuring the security of sensitive design data and proprietary information transferred and stored on the cloud platform is crucial. Standardization and interoperability. Compatibility between different software, hardware, and data formats used across the cloud platform is essential for seamless operation. Connectivity and reliability. Consistent and reliable internet connectivity is critical for smooth operation and data transmission within the CMFG ecosystem. CMFG and its impact on the future of AM. Democratizing access to AM. CMFG can make AM technology more accessible to a wider range of companies, including small businesses and startups, by lowering entry barriers and reducing capital investment needs. Globalized and distributed manufacturing. Cloud-based platforms can facilitate geographically dispersed manufacturing networks, potentially shortening supply chains and optimizing production based on global demand and resource availability. Evolving business models. New business models will emerge in the CMFG landscape, fostering innovation and collaboration throughout the manufacturing value chain. Example: a global network of connected AM facilities established on a cloud platform allows companies to choose the most suitable location for production based on factors like cost, lead time, and material availability. Shapeways is a 3D printing service that offers a variety of materials and applications for 3D printing. They also offer 3D printing, rapid prototyping, and design services. Customers can choose from a wide range of materials, including nylon, stainless steel, and acrylate. Shapeways uses different technologies to print 3D models, including selective laser sintering, SLS, and stereolithography, SLA. 3D Hubs, formerly known as Hubs, is a company that offers on-demand manufacturing of custom parts. They offer a variety of services, including CNC machining, 3D printing, and sheet metal fabrication. They can produce parts for a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, and medical. Sculpteo is a company that offers online 3D printing services. They use a variety of 3D printing technologies, including SLS, SLA, MJF, and FDM. They offer a wide range of materials, including nylon, resin, and metal. Sculpteo can print parts in a few days. Materialise is a leading company in the field of 3D printing, offering a wide range of 3D printing services, software, and materials. They provide solutions for various industries, including healthcare, automotive, aerospace, and consumer goods. Here's a summary of Materialise's offerings. 3D printing services. Materialise offers a variety of 3D printing services, including prototyping, manufacturing, and on-demand production. They use various 3D printing technologies, including selective laser sintering, SLS, stereolithography, SLA, multi-jet fusion, MJF, and fused deposition modeling, FDM. Software. Materialise offers a suite of software solutions for 3D printing, including Magics for data preparation and build optimization, Mimics for medical image segmentation, and Materialise control platform for managing the 3D printing process. Materials. Materialise offers a wide range of 3D printing materials, including plastics, metals, and biocompatible materials. They also offer custom materials development to meet specific customer needs. Overall, Materialise is a one-stop shop for all things related to 3D printing. They offer a comprehensive range of services, software, and materials, making them a valuable resource for businesses and individuals alike who are looking to utilize 3D printing technology. It discusses various applications of 3D printing, including sports equipment, medical devices, and consumer goods. It also highlights recent industry trends, such as mergers. News. This is a news site for the additive manufacturing industry. Research. This site contains AM market reports with research and analysis. Directory. This is a directory of 3D printing companies. It discusses what the directory is and what it offers. The directory contains information about different companies around the world. It allows users to search based on various criteria, including location, technology, and industry. It also publishes market research and analysis. Fab Lab, established by Neil Gershenfeld at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, is a global network of community-based digital fabrication workshops. These workshops provide individuals with the necessary tools and skills. Fab Labs are equipped with various tools and machinery, including 3D printers, laser cutters, CNC machines, electronics workbench, software design tools. These tools allow individuals to design and create physical objects from a digital file. Fab Labs foster a collaborative environment where individuals can share ideas, learn from each other, and work on projects together. They're often used for education. Fab Labs are a valuable resource for educators, providing students with hands-on learning experiences in science, technology, engineering, and math STEM. Prototyping. Fab Labs allow individuals to quickly and easily create prototypes of their ideas. Entrepreneurship. Fab Labs can help entrepreneurs turn their ideas into products. Community development. Fab Labs can be used to create products and services that benefit the local community. The Fab Lab network is constantly growing, with new labs being established around the world. Fab Labs are a valuable resource for individuals and communities alike, providing the tools and skills necessary to create a more innovative and sustainable future.